Welcome back to the channel, folks. JD here again with a very quick update. It really will be quick. Following yesterday's video, I announced that I was working on version 5 of the PCP spreadsheet. I had added an overpayment function, just to say that I'm still working on that. I will be releasing it soon to everybody who's already obtained a copy from me, so thank you for your continued support on that. But I just wanted to show you very quickly what I've done today. Somebody asked me, David George, so thank you very much for that, David, asked me if you could also use this spreadsheet for mortgage calculations, and I don't see any reason why you couldn't, but the main restriction was that the current spreadsheet only ran for 84 months. So what's that, 7 years? So I've extended the working version of the spreadsheet to 25 years, so you can do a lot more lengthy calculations with the newest release. Something else wasn't working quite right with the total charges. I'd forgotten to update something or other in there, so I've been working on that today. So I just wanted to touch base with everyone to say that the latest sheet will be out soon, so please bear with me. I just want to make sure it's right before I send it out. As usual, do please comment, do please continue to email me here, do please continue to subscribe, and I will see you very soon for a more lengthy, involved video. Take care. Thank you.